Hi students, next class. Okay, already what is rational number in first video I put what is rational number. Okay, write the between rational numbers explained. Some of the students did the homework well. Very good. Okay, right. The next topic. Okay, exercise 1.2. Afterwards I will explain. Okay, that is related to geometry. You want to draw the. Okay, then next. Real numbers and the decimal expansion. Real numbers and the decimal expansion. Okay. In primary classes and middle classes, you did the division. Okay. Some of the problems you can divide, or some problems can't divide. Okay, right. Real numbers and the decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay. We are going to study rational and irrational numbers. We are going to study rational and irrationals. Okay, from a different points of view. Different points of view. Okay, I will explain. Terminating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. Correct. Rational number, decimal expansion. Rational number, decimal expansion. Terminating. Terminating means finite. Moody utradhu. The remainder becomes zero. The remainder becomes zero. Okay, let's explain. For example, one problem. Seven by 8. 7 by 8. You want to divide the 7 by 8. I will divide 7. In 7, how many 8s are there? There is no 8. Okay, so you place the point, add 0. Okay, here also 0 point. Now you consider 70. In 70, how many 8s are there? 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8. 8 8s are 64. Remainder 6. Next step subtraction. Next step subtraction. 70 minus 64, 6. Next add 0. Add 0. In 60, how many 8s are there? 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 4. Remainder 4. Minus, next step minus 60 minus 56, 4. Then again add 0. Down. 40. In 40, how many 8s are there? In 40, how many 8s are there? 5. 5 8s are 40. What is the remainder? 0. Now remainder becomes 0. Remainder becomes 0. Hereafter we cannot find it. Okay, decimal expansion over. Decimal expansion over. It is called terminating. Terminating. முடி விட்டுறது. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் டெசிமல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவா? ரைட். next one example. Okay, pass. Next one problem. Okay, last question 7 by 8, that is rational number. 7 by 8 rational number. 7 by 8 is rational. Okay, P by Q form. Next, it is also rational number. It is also rational. 10 by 3 is rational. 10 by 3 is rational. Okay. P by Q format, denominator Q is not equal to 0. Then divide 10. 10 by 3. In 10, how many 3s are there? 3. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Next you place the point here, no digits. So you put point, decimal, add 0. These zeros are not valid. Okay. What is this? 10. What is this? 10. What is this? 10. What is this? 10. Okay. So after decimals, we can add no more number of zeros. Okay. We cannot add any other number other than 0. We cannot add other than 0. Okay. If we add other than 0, no, that number should be any one value. Something values change. Okay. Right. Next you take it. Then 10. In 10, how many 3s are there? Here you put point. 3. 3 3s are 10. Sorry, 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then remainder 1. Remainder 1. Then again add 0. Then 10. 3 3s are 9. Then remainder 1. Okay, this will go. Remainder 1, remainder 1, remainder 1. Okay, then we can get say 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, this type of the decimal is called a non-terminating. Non-terminating. Terminating means finite. முடிவுற்றது. Non-terminating, infinite. Infinite. Okay, non-terminating but repeating. Repeating. Same block. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 repeating. Okay, so non-terminating, repeating. So rational number decimal expansion. Rational number decimal expansion, non-terminating, repeating. It is one concept. Another one is terminating. Okay, here remainder becomes 0. This is the last sum. Remainder becomes 0. So the decimal expansion terminating. Here remainder become non-zero. Remainder is not a 0. We get something. Okay, that is called a non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Okay. For irrational number, one example. What is pi value? 22/7. Okay, in decimal expansion 3.1415 something. Okay, you see the book. 1 trillion of decimals. Somebody found it. 1 trillion of decimal expansion. Okay, so that is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, I will explain one problem. 3.1718192122. Okay, so this is called a non-terminating as well as not repeating. Okay, here some digits are repeating but not block. Okay, for example 2 digits, say 4 digits, say okay, it is non-terminating, not repeating. Okay, 3.14141414. It is non-terminating, repeating. Here these 2 digits only repeated. 14141414. Okay, it is called a non-terminating, repeating. So this one we can write as 3.14. 3.14. So it is mean that 141414. Okay, this one we can write as 3.3. 3.333333. Okay. Okay, next one sum. 1/7. That is 1 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7. Okay, right. We cannot divide here. Okay. So you place the point, then add 0. 10. In 10, how many 7s are there? 1 7s are there. 1 7s are there. Okay. Write it. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. Okay. Here you note it. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. Next you add 0. 30. Okay, in 30 how many 7s are there? In 30 how many 7s are there? 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Here what is the remainder? 2. You note it. 2 here. Okay, then add 0. In 20 how many 7s are there? 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Remainder what is that? 6. Note it. 6. Next to 0. 60. In 60, 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Remainder 4. Remainder 4. Remainder 4. Okay. Then again next 40. 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Remainder 5. Remainder 5. Then next 0. 50. In 50, how many 7s are there? 49. In 50, how many 7s are there? 49. Then again remainder 1. Remainder 1. Okay, then again add 0. 0. 1 7 is 7. Then remainder 3. You see, remainder here 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5. Then again 1. Then next to 3. You add 0, 30. 30. How many 7s in 30? 4 7s are 28. Then again remainder 2. Okay, so again it will be repeating. It will be repeating. 1 4 2 8 5. Then again 1 4 2 8 5. Then again 1 4 2 8 5. So this one we can write as 1 4 2 8 5. 1 4 2 8 5. Okay, so 1 by 7 it will be write as 0.14285. These 5 digits, 1 plug. These 5 digits, 1 plug. So it is non-terminating repeating. It is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Okay, so 1 by 7 is rational. 1 by 7 is rational. So non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Okay, that's all. I will give 3 problems. You can divide. Okay, then find it. Decimal expansion, terminate or non-terminating repeating. Okay, then you want to write the decimal expansion also. Decimal expansion also. Okay, I will give 3 sums. Okay, thank you students.